Hello everyone, this is Jorge from Byrider Madison, making a quick little video for y'all. I know that right now it is marking the beginning of a new season, and we're getting close right here to autumn and marking the end of summer. I know that since the change in temperature, we're going to have a lot more rain. The rain is going to cause a lot more cracks and more potholes onto the road, which can cause a problem with folks with their vehicles. So I'm just making a quick little tips for y'all to try to prevent any damages or anything like that could happen. First things first, the biggest thing right here is tires. Tires are what makes our vehicles. You know, we gotta take care of them, ensure that they have good pressure. You can find right here that this valve right here, for example, is where you can add your air. Just making sure, and especially I've heard folks hearing about doing the quarter method right here. You try to see right here to see if there's enough meat onto the tire, right? So that is an example right there of ensuring that your car has what it needs. Also, you know, taking well care of it. Vehicles, you know, are like people. If you don't take care of yourself, they're not gonna stay looking great. Am I right? So if you are looking for a vehicle, and right now it is the best time to get into a vehicle, call us right here at 608-663-1213. Jorge with Byrider. We'll see you soon.